Laura Lehman joins us from the sidelines as G-Side starts us off.
Silip sa nakadungaw sa isang maliit na bintana na baka sakali sila na UP nananalangin na manalo itong Lawag at hindi na open conference. At inaasahan ko na sa ganitong sitwasyon ngayon, kanilang kinalalang yan at this late in this conference, that they will have more wins. She's one player who normally scores about 18 per contest.
She has been a revelation para dito sa kapunan ng Lawag Power Smashers. Of course, ang preyong player niya, bago pa lang dito sa Lawag Power Smashers setup, but they have been contributing very well.
Itong si Gretzel Soltones na.
Throw attack para kay Gretzel Soltones.
Wow.
That's a quick hit there. Well worked.
May bala na wing spikers. May bala na quick hit.
Great serve from her. Dealt with well by Alyssa Iroa. Dating magkakampi.
Kung makikita mo yung balasa dito ng G-Side, pinapahula talaga niya yung blockers dito ng Bali Pure.
Soft hit na itaas ni Eulalio. Siya na rin ang papalo dito. Hindi lumampas at makukuha ng Bali Pure ang first set kontra sa Lawag Power Smashers. Lawag Power Smashers, one set down here. Margin for error. Continue. Join us at the top of the broadcast. A win would delay the finalization of Final Four task in this start to the second set. Going the way of the Power Smashers.
Right.
Defended well by Bali Pure Syed. Sent up by Iroa. Joel Singh. So difficult to stop that power.
Again, scores off the block. Sa Bali Pure.
At Syed. Set up dito ni Solto para kay Soltones. Hindi lumampas ng net. 8-7 ang ating.
Always important. Pero best of 3 po tayo. Oo, pagdating sa semifinals.
Off the block and the point going the way of the Power Smashers.
Time and again, off the block ang ginagawa rito ng Lawag.
Service ni Villegas. Nahanap ulit dito si Morel and what an angled shot.
Hirap na angulo. Almost look like a cut shot coming from Katie.
Soltones. Syed, si-set up ulit si Soltones. Hahanapin niya yung kanto. Perfect.
Dinala sa uno. Talk about a power tip. At hindi lahat may kakayahan na eksakto yung pagulog.
Received by Bali Pure nicely there. And they do get the point from that conversion.
Very good service reception.
Vasho. Mans to Morel. And there it is. Second set has been claimed by Bali Pure. Pinahirap. G-Side with a serve. Atakdas. Cross-court hit. Ay taas ni Morel at siya na rin ang tatapos nito. 2 straight points para ni this time able to deal with her power better. Roses. May angat ni Soltones. Pero hindi na-anticipate doon ang kanyang kakampi.
Manalo.
Real living legend that Bali Pure has in their ranks.
Right.
Net
Sila Wendy
touch.
Semana, sila Chisain.
Para sa Lawag. Can they take advantage? Soltones! Block there.
Kita mo naman yung scramble ni Mans. Siya yung humabol dun sa bola. Ayan o, biglang nasa. Live yan. Pinaligtad ba? Tama, live po yan. Dahil wala pong UAAP Games sa Sabado.
I see.
Oo. Ganda niyan.
Vasho with the reception. And si Kate Morel na naman ang magtatapos dito para dito sa Bali Pure Purist. They got plenty of help as well as they take it 25-21, 26-24, and 25-13.